Hello friend, welcome back. Testing Daily today is picking up the feed from almost 250 plus sources, like 100 plus YouTube channel, 120 plus Medium authors, then WordPress website, Blogspot, and a lot more testing websites as well. So if you are someone who is creating the content for testers about testing, latest testing trends, news, different automation frameworks, and Selenium, Cypress, Playwright, etc. So if you are creating any kind of content for testers basically, and Testing Daily is not picking up that and it's not showing its own platform, then this video will help you that how you can get your feed over there and how it will start immediately picking your feed. So what you have to do, you just go to this Testing Daily page on SelectorsHub website. From home page also you will get, or else like from this drop down, Testing Daily is here. So here what you can do, how you can check basically whether your feed is picking up by Testing Daily or not. So you can check in any of the platform like testingdaily.info website, or if you have a mobile app or the browser plugin. So suppose we have installed browser plugin already. So what you can do, just open new tab, so you will find Testing Daily, you know that. And suppose I want to check my YouTube channel is there or not, it is picking up or not. So for an example, let's say Naveen Automation Lab. So what you can do here, search for Naveen Automation Labs. Okay, so this is picking up. Suppose my YouTube channel name is Mukesh Otwani. This also is picking up. So this is how you can search for your YouTube channel. If it is not showing here with your YouTube channel name, you can search. If that is not showing here, you can I will tell you that what you can do, and so that it will start picking up. Now suppose you have a WordPress website. So what you can search with your WordPress website domain name, you can search like UD I guess one is there from Gaurav Purana, and search here. Okay, so you can see that it is showing the WordPress website as well. And any different website or anything, like if you have a Blogspot, if you have a WordPress website, you have a Medium author, like any Medium author if you know, so that also it will pick. Like let's say little something was there. So if that is that will be there, it will automatically pick and show it here. Like let me just see any Medium author, like let's say this one is showing here, and you just keep on scrolling, you will keep getting more and more authors here. Or if any Twitter thread or something is there which you feel that it is not picking, it should pick, that also you can refer here. Like I guess Anshita Vashin used to write a lot of Medium article, if what is the correct spelling, yeah. So you can see here Akanksha and lot more people it will show here, so that you can also just search here with your Medium author name, whatever author name you have given, so it will show here if it is not showing. So now here is the solution that how it will start picking up your feed if it is not picking up already. What you can do, like you just create a small tutorial. If you have a YouTube channel about Testing Daily, just create a small tutorial about Testing Daily, that what is Testing Daily, and like little bit about, just talk about Testing Daily and create a small tutorial on Testing Daily if you have a YouTube channel, and upload that video there, so it will automatically and immediately pick your feed. If you have a Medium, if you are a Medium author, you are creating content on Medium, or if you have your own WordPress website or Blogspot, then just write a small article about Testing Daily and add it there, and publish it there on your Medium WordPress website, and immediately Testing Daily will pick the feed, start picking up the feed from there, from your website, from your YouTube channel. Even after that it is not picking up the feed, Testing Daily is not able to pick up your feed. So what you can do, you just contact us here, and we will make sure that your feed start getting picked up by Testing Daily immediately. So this is how Testing Daily will pick up the feed from your platform. And testing already, like more than 10,000 plus testers are using Testing Daily, and your content and your feed is reaching to more and more people. So we'll request you all that get your feed here ASAP if it is not already picking up. We have already made sure that it picks everybody's testing feed. If you are creating some good content for tester, we are already trying to make sure that it is picking up. But still, if it is not picking, then please follow these steps. Just create a small tutorial or article, write a small article about Testing Daily. It will make sure that it start picking up your feed. With that, thank you so much. Bye bye.